Are you ready to change the value of the text when we click on the button? And this is what we will do inside this one. Let's start right now. First thing first, we have the button, elevated button. We have the onPress, which trigger a function. And inside, when we press on it, you see it's called the print something. We will replace this. And what we will try to do is change the value of the bottom name. To change the value, you can say bottom name like this, and you will say this is equal to something else. And because the bottom name is a string, it needs to be equal to a string. It cannot be equal to a number after that. It needs to stay the same type. So we will say clicked, by example, maybe. Clicked, I think it's good. And if you remember, we need to put the semicolon. If you are not sure about it, you just go over, expect to find semicolon. That's good. Now I will reload. And if we click on this, normally it's supposed to work, but it does not work. Why? Because in Flutter, you see the StatelessWidget and the StatefulWidget are very different. The StatelessWidget means the screen will never change. But if we use the StatefulWidget, that means that if the user do something on the screen and the screen change, by example, the name of the button change, we need to use the StatefulWidget. I will go over StattelessWidget. I will right click and say refactor. We already know about this. And I will say convert to StatefulWidget. Okay, that seems good. Next, it should work. So I will just reload again. And now you see we have some errors, okay? And maybe you, okay, I will just go inside the run and debug. I'm not sure if I show this to you. If you reload, maybe you have this error like this, okay? Popping up from the framework.dart. I will quit this. You can click on play debug and remove the uncut exception. Personally, I don't like that. I will go back inside my file. And now, if you reload, you don't have the error anymore. But we still have it in the terminal, in the debug console. I will restart the app this time. And you see, we still have an error. What is the problem? Is type my app is not a substream of type StatelessWidget in type cast. Okay, so what does this mean? Is we have my app, which is a StatefulWidget, and I will restart again just to be sure. Okay, and you see, now it works. Sometimes you restart and it will not work, and the second time it works. It happens sometimes. Now everything is fine. Good, but when we press on this, nothing changed still. So we have a problem. We see that the bottom name changed for something else, for clicked, but we don't see the difference on the screen. This is because we need to tell Flutter, okay, we are inside the StatefulWidget. It's possible that the screen change, but we need to tell Flutter the screen will change. And to do that, we go on onPress function and we will use something called the setState. You can click on this, and this will let know Flutter that the screen will change. And what are the information that change on the screen? We take it and we put it inside the setState. I will format document. So you see the bottom name will change, and we let know Flutter that the screen will refresh with the new information. Now if we reload, you see it automatically go to clicked. This means the reload is just refreshing the screen. And that's why, because we already clicked on the button previously. I will restart now, okay? Let's make it simple. I restart, we have the click. When we press on this, it changed for clicked. That's good. So everything worked. And this was because we needed to add the StatefulWidget, the setState, and that's pretty much it, and change the bottom name variable. So in this video, we have learned about StattelessWidget and StatefulWidget. The first one, StattelessWidget, the screen will never change. StatefulWidget, the screen will change. And to let know Flutter that the screen will change, we need to use setState. So that's it for this video, and see you on the next one. Bye.